Fun with Tab is here. Give you knowledge and cheer. Teaching is what I do. Motivated to inspire you. Learning can be fun for our daughters and sons. Let's have fun to explore, receive the knowledge to open doors. Fun with Tab is the one. Learning can be fun. Learning is the key to make a better society.
It sure is cold outside today. Ooh, and it's snowing. Well, welcome, subscribers. Today, we're going to talk about the weight on different planets. Gravity pulls objects down so that you don't float away. Weight on different planets depends on gravity. Gravity on each planet has a different decimal value. And so therefore, we're going to find out how much you will weigh on different planets given the decimal equivalent for that particular planet. And figure out how much you will weigh on the other planets.
Here is a diagram of our solar system. And each planet has a different decimal value to determine its weight. On Mercury, it's 0.38. On Venus, it's 0.91. On Earth, it is 1.00. On Mars, it's 0.38. On Jupiter, it is 2.34. On Saturn, it is 0.93. On Uranus, it is 0.92. And on Neptune, it is 1.12. These decimal equivalents will help us to determine how much you will weigh on that particular planet. So let's explore. In order to find your weight on these planets, you need to multiply your weight on Earth times the decimal equivalents for each particular planet. So let's find out how much you will weigh on each planet. For this episode, we're going to use Barbara Tabron's Earth weight, which is 302 pounds. Ooh, I gotta lose some weight. On Mercury, I would multiply 302 times 0.38, which would be 114.76, which is roughly 115 pounds. On Venus, you will multiply 302 pounds times 0.91, which is 274.82 pounds, which is roughly 275 pounds. We know my weight on Earth is 302 pounds. On Mars, we will multiply 302 pounds times 0.38, and like Mercury, it will be roughly 115 pounds. On Jupiter, you will multiply 302 pounds times 2.34, which is equal to, 706.68 pounds, which is roughly 707 pounds. I'm glad I don't live on Jupiter. On Saturn, you will multiply 302 pounds times 0.93, which is equal to 280.86 pounds, which is roughly 281 pounds. On Uranus, you will multiply 302 pounds times 0.92, which is equal to 277 84/100, which is roughly 278 pounds. The last one, Neptune, if you multiply 302 pounds times 1.12, it will be equal to 338 24/100 pounds, which is roughly 338 pounds. Now, I want you to calculate your weight on other planets. Have fun.
Wasn't that amazing how much weight you will be on the different planets? Well, thank God we have gravity, because without gravity, all living things would become weightless. Ooh. So, if you enjoyed today's episode, please share and subscribe to Fun with Tab, where learning can be meaningful and fun. Let me fly into space now.